This is Monmouth's Moment. On Wednesday, April 16th, for 18 hours and 53 minutes, we unite as a proud Fighting Scots community to support the incredible work of our students and faculty. Being a Fighting Scot means more than competition. It's about finding your voice, embracing challenges, and building lifelong connections in a close-knit community who cheers for you every step of the way. This is Monmouth's Moment, your chance to make a lasting impact on Monmouth and our students. Join me and the whole Monmouth community as we enter this exciting time at Monmouth College, building on our proud legacy while shaping the future for generations of Fighting Scots. On Scots Day of Giving, every contribution, no matter the amount, plays a vital role in shaping Monmouth's future. Seize this moment and give today.
Roll Scots! Roll Scots! Roll Scots! Roll Scots!
Roll Scots!